That there's a shit pile. There's stuff in there too. Found hammerstones, tabletops, all kinds of stuff. Just digging and digging and digging. It never ends. But you can see the heavy rain. So what I'm doing now is just scraping on the walls and throwing water at it, hoping something else pops out. There's something of interest I found. I found this, of course, over in the hole. It's smooth, man, smooth as a baby's ass. And then I found this yesterday, not far from it. I don't know, what are your thoughts? Just another chunk. This piece is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see what I see. Let me see if I can expand this a little. There we go. All along the edge up here. I'll tilt it a few times. You can see the work. But anyway, it's got a scraper kind of shape to it. You can see the edge was worked on it. I'm not even going to assume what this is, but it looks like it could have been tied to a stick or something. I don't know. Pretty cool looking though. And it's jasper from this area. Okay. There's another one. I forgot to film this one. That is pretty cool. That is not local jasper. I don't know what it is, and it looks like it was worked into something. I'm just going to assume another scraper. The colors are phenomenal. Found quite a bit of odd materials. Slowly but surely we're finding more and more stuff. There's another one that's not local jasper. This is all definitely from the south. Veracruz, Pennsylvania. There's mining pits down there. Well-known mining pits that the natives used. I'm gonna guess that's where this is coming from. All right. On to more digging. All right. We had a few heavy rainstorms. And we got nothing, but rainstorms sure pop out the rocks. All right, see you in a little bit. Here you can see my outside cat, Emmett, is using my dig site for his own personal shit box. Damn it, boy. Helpers.
Are you filming, Pappy?
Maybe. I'm not going to focus on you, don't you worry.
Why did you do that?
I don't know. Nice chunk, whatever it is.
Stop.
I don't see any distinctive markings on it, but I'm going to keep it. It's just cool looking. Zoom in there. It's just a chicken leg. It actually looks like a chunk of jasper. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Junk. Yeah, that's something. I'm not sure what, but you can see it's getting browner. I'm sorry about the videotaping here. Yeah, it's a pretty good chunk of jasper. I'll set that aside. Might actually be something. Almost looks like a bird, huh? And again, who knows? Yeah, I'll definitely keep that. Pretty cool looking. Just shovel that little guy out of the dirt pile. Go about your business, bro. We'll get you out of there before something happens to you.